Hey everybody, I am here to show you how to use this bow maker. All it is a 1x4 that's about 18 inches long. You can see that there are lines scored on it at 1-inch intervals. It's just for us to help you measure. The things you're going to need to do your bow maker are obviously a couple of small dowels and the 1x4 and just some glue and a drill to drill those holes. You'll put them about a finger width apart so that you can get your ribbon in the middle. The things to make a bow is you're going to need some floral wire, some clippers or scissors, obviously some scissors, and some ribbon. So what we're going to do to start off is we're going to cut a length of this floral wire, maybe about 6 to 7 inches long. Doesn't have to be exact. Just snip it, and you're going to put that in first just like that. Doesn't matter where it goes, it's just got to be underneath the ribbon. You're going to go ahead and pull some of your ribbon off. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make your tail. So depending on how long you want your tail, that's what you'll start with. And you just slide it between the dowels. So just like that. And then you're going to twist your ribbon just like that. See how it's twisted? And you're going to hold it with your finger. Now, with this side over here, you are going to make your loops. So let's go ahead and just pull a bunch of this ribbon loose. And we're going to start and we're going to make our first loop. So what you're going to do is just hold on to your ribbon and you're going to make each loop, just whatever size you want to. If you're going to make a really big bow, start with some bigger loops. And then you're going to, again, twist it. So every time you put a loop through, you're going to twist it to go to the next side. You want your sides to be about equal. So just that's why the lines are there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's about equal. I'm going to twist. And I'm going to make a couple that are about this size. And then we'll gradually make them smaller. So 2 more. Twist it so that the right side of your ribbon is always up. And there's loop number 4 with a twist. Now we've made 2 that size. We're going to go gradually just a little bit smaller, maybe 1 inch smaller. We're going to twist. And I just hold everything down with my finger, just like that. That's what it should look like at this point. And you just slide your ribbon down. It's about 1 inch shorter. Get it in there and then twist it around and hold it. I'm going to make 2 that size, and then we'll go gradually smaller. And it doesn't have to be precise, just around the same size. I'm going to hold this and I'm going to get out some more of my ribbon. And then this one about the same size as that one. And twist. And now we're going to make another loop a little bit smaller. And twist. So each time, just remember that you have to twist to get your ribbon to be the right side out with each loop. So a little bit smaller like that. To that size. And twist. These don't take very long once you get the hang of it. And then twist. And then to finish it, I always make just a small loop in the center, like a bow would have, like when you would tie it. So I just make a real small one. And then this will be your tail once we tie it off. So then you take your wire that you had under here, you bring out your loop here, holding the center, bring out a loop onto this, or a wire onto this side, and then just bring it up out of the bow maker and twist it around, just like that. Hold it and flip it over, and then I just twist the wire real tight. Then you have some wire left over here to tie it onto whatever it is you're making your bow for, like if you're making it for a wreath, so you have a little bit extra, or you can trim it off, but just be sure not to trim it too far. So now we're going to trim our tails. I take my tails and I fold it in half, and I take my scissors and I cut in an upward angle, and it gives you a nice little flag point. And we're going to do the same thing with this one. And a nice little flag point. So now what we're going to do is we're going to move that out of the way. And now you fluff your bow. So you just start taking your loops, puffing them out and twisting them, and make sure you put your tail at the bottom with the other one, like that. And there's your center bow. Fluff it out. Fluff it out. Just keep fluffing until you're satisfied with how it looks. There's no right or wrong way to make your bow look. It's just how you like it. This definitely is for wired bow ribbons, because you know you'd have trouble making your loops stay rounded. Just work with it until you're happy, until it's full enough. And then this is the part that takes probably the longest, is the fluffing. And there you have it, a nice big fluffy bow. Thanks for watching.